Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna help you find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So it's very easy. You gotta find the game keys first of all on your Steam. So if Ubisoft Connect is asking for the keys, you just gotta find the game on your Steam. So you just gotta find the game. For example, I'm using Rainbow Six Siege, but if you press on the settings, you'll see the manage option, and if you see the option of keys or something like that, if the game contains any keys, it will have the option, but if it's not, it won't. So you gotta copy the key. Okay, once you copy it, you just need to go to Ubisoft Connect right over here, and then you gotta paste it in the key. If it's not showing up for you, you can read this, and here as you can see, it says if you have received a game key or content key, you will need to activate it on Ubisoft Connect to access to the game. To activate a key from Ubisoft Connect, select your profile on top left corner of the application and then open Ubisoft Connect overlay. So you gotta open the overlay of this app, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and do the access, and that's basically it. You just gotta select activate, and then you'll get the key. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.